Hello ladies and gents, today is 5th of June and this is Scorsese. I know we've been spending a lot of our time in the house because we kind of like managed the half of the mission by moving in this new house and buying a lot of IKEA stuff, but the other half is the hard part, to open these boxes and make this place looks like a home. As you can see, right now we are in the house with Leyla and Serpil here. Deniz is outside because she needs to get some medicine for Emre. Emre is sleeping in the room, and today I'm gonna spend most of our time probably finishing this big projects, this big boxes here, and also I'm gonna open that two boxes here. These are the bar stools. Yes, I know, you know, we even haven't seen the lake. Can you imagine? We are in. Guys, as you can imagine, we are with two kids and you should add up at least 3, even maybe 4 hours to the time you spend when you normally would spend when you're outside. So that's why we first need to finish the house and then start to visit, you know, some places around Toronto. So basically I just actually go out in the morning, you know, got my Starbucks coffee and walk Jack here. Right now it's like 2 p.m. and I'm gonna sit down on, you know, finishing this projects. Stay tuned.
Ama tek bir şey yapmayın demiştin. Nasıl yapacağım?
Bu değil ya. Hello, wifey mouse, what did you buy?
I bought mostly cleaning items and a few of the things we couldn't find at IKEA. So gloves I always use. This was very important for dishwashing. This we couldn't find at IKEA for some reason, I don't know why. Cleaning bottles, sponges. These two were missing from Leyla's room. These are clips for packs that we open and then
This?
that we have to. These just for stuff and also for Leyla's kitchen.
And we have 2 boxes in here.
Yes. Do you want to open them now?
And additionally, you bought these, huh?
Yes. For the outside of Leyla's bed, we bought like pretty expensive ones. So for the inside, I figured we could buy something cheap as they are not visible from the outside. And she wouldn't mind. And if, you know, in the future we have more money, we can buy a play rug or something on top of it.
Okay, what do we have in these boxes?
We have pots and pans. I use stainless steel pots and pans, but I also need non-stick items at times, so I bought like 2 skillets and a pilav pan, actually. Pilav and noodle pan and non-stick.
So we're gonna make reviews with all the things that you bought already.
Let's do it.
No.
And also
one by one.
An adapter, a precious adapter for our Turkish coffee machine.
Yes.
That holds up to
these Turkish coffee machines that you're bringing from Turkey.
Yes.
They're not working in
They
US.
don't work here. You need powerful adapters. Like regular adapters won't work either. You need extra powerful adapters. And the adapter that we have holds up to 2000 watts.
Okay.
And the machine requires 670 watts. So I hope that it's going to work out. So here are the skillets.
Seafowl.
Finally, omelets and eggs. This is the adapter.
Let me see.
I think Chinese or something. We have Oral-B Brown toothbrush. Electric toothbrushes, and we needed an extra plug for them, a charger.
Okay.
And if we bought like adapters like this one, it would have cost more, so I bought a new charger, which was around $20. Not original, but it works. So I believe that's that. And here we have a pot. Yep.
Let me see.
It's exactly the same thing except with a different pot.
There you go. Okay, and what is in it?
Here's a big pan, a pot for making pilaf, I believe. I'm paying more attention now.
Not yet.
almost cut myself. So this was necessary for making pilavs. Because that's
Turkish rice.
Yes, Turkish rice and sometimes noodles too. It's quite large.
Geldi mi tencere?
Evet. Tam bir pilav tenceresi yani.
Heh, size bol bol pilav yapacağım şimdi.
Aynen. So we need the second pot that was large to cook food in, and this will double as a, you know, vegetable or whatever food that we
Yeah.
are cooking.
And I guess right now we have a lot of recycles.
Yes, we need to take a lot of things to recycling, all of this, and then we need to take some of the boxes of the equipment that we bought down to storage bins, because in case something goes wrong and we need to give it back, we need the boxes.
Yeah.
So that's why we're saving them.
Okay. And now I'm continue on this small projects. I need to finish them all. I need to finish these small projects because I need to open a space right there for the TV unit project. Stay tuned. Ladies and gents, as you can see, this is a glen with 77 centimeter legs because Leyla needs to be a little bit high up. As you can see right now, Leyla gonna feel much comfortable in the bar, eating in the bar, right, Leyla?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm sad and I'm mad
Why you're sad and mad?
because
By the way, how do you like this lentil over there?
that lentil looks ugly.
Oh gee, let me see. And this is a precious lentil done by Serpil for us. Right now I'm eating that. And then I'm gonna finish this glen chair, which is shorter than the Leyla's one. So we're gonna have 4 chairs and the baby seat. Look, this is done by Deniz yesterday. Right now, baby Emre is also his own chair. And this chair will be used by Leyla in this table. Yes.
Bakıyor bize.
Beni buradan aldı. Elime bir yerini acıttı baba.
Now we have cutlery partitions
Ta-da!
here.
Yeah, yesterday she bought these.
Here.
Actually, she's supposed to buy only these, but she ended up on buying a lot of other things.
No, I wasn't supposed to buy only these. The house needs a lot of
Teşekkürler. Teşekkürler Serpil'cim. Teşekkür ediyorum. Senden de çok
I keep calling it a house, but it's actually an apartment.
ne yapacağım?
İçinde bir şey var, örtü.
Ha. İniyor aşağı. Varmış.
Guys, as you can see, I'm finished with the glands. And the best part of these glands are, you know, you can put them on top of each other. So it's gonna be stackable if you're having a little bit smaller room in your kitchen, in your bar. So, or, you know, as you can see over there. So this one is for Leyla, is a little bit high up. The other 3 is for grown-ups. Did you like it? Bye for now.
Love it, baby. Thank you so much.
And how about this these things over there? What are these?
These are my jars and spice jars. I use a lot of spices, and I also use a lot of dry goods like rice and beans and.
So you're gonna put all of them in there?
lentils. And the thing is, usually when I run out of them, I need to go get some more. But IKEA is not I mean, it's easy to go with the subway, but with 2 kids, it would be impossible for me to go, like, in case someone breaks. So I got a little bit of extra, like I got 2 or 3 extra of each. So in case I need to get them, you know, they're already here.
Okay. And we need to finish this project right now. What is this?
That's a second level for inside of the. If I can get a second layer, I'll get more space down here because I don't want to go up every time I need.
Okay. And I'm gonna carry all this to recycling, so we're gonna have more space. Here's the recycling queen. Now guys, as you can see, I opened the boxes of the kitchen, and right now, one by one, I'm gonna try to finish that. But before that, I got to do this INR tests till the time I come here. But you know, in this 15 days, we never could have time to do it because it has to be done at around 4. You know, I have this titanium vessels. That's why my blood thinness should be around like 3 or so, and it needs to be always tested. So thanks to my mom, he got this machine. Normally in Turkey, I go easily like to any kind of clinic and like just check my, you know, INR with a, you know, calculation rate with a very cheap. But in Canada, it will be a little bit complicated and it can be also a little bit expensive. So that's why we got this machine here, as you can see. Okay. So this machine, with this machine, I mean, my mom knows how to use it very well because also my grandma using it, and the baby has also some opinion over there. So my nurse, my precious nurse, gonna be Deniz, so that's why she's gonna learn how to use it, and I'm gonna also know. I need to know. Actually, it's a machine that I can also use by myself. I'm just teasing Deniz, you know, to be my nurse. That can be a nice fantasy.
Bunları gayet iyi biliyorsundur benden.
Okay, right now let's listen to Serpil.
Yine aleti bu. Parmağını şuradan deliyoruz. Delemiyoruz çünkü olmadı. O kadar kan olmaz. Ha, kanıyormuş, pardon. Kanıyor. Dur. Kanın az akıyor şimdi, olmayacak bu. Şuraya bak, şurası. Oraya getir kanını. Koy. Korkma.
Ha, şu beyaz değil anneciğim, o şeffaf ya.
Ha, kapatıyoruz Erol. Bak şu şeffaf olan yere.
Tam bu hala kanıyor.
Şimdi gördüğünüz gibi ilk denememiz başarısızlıkla sonuçlandı.
Guys, if your nurse is your mother, then this easy operations can be really hard. So she panicked a little bit, but at the end we managed how to use that machine. Right now my INR looks a little bit high, so tomorrow we're gonna try it again. I need to take this medicine called Comedin, which makes your blood a little bit thinner. So tomorrow I'm gonna need to take that medicine in the right time. Today I also take it like 11 or so. So maybe that's why. But it must be between 2.5 to 3. And right now we calculated it 4, which is not good. So tomorrow we're gonna calculate it again, and then if it's still very high, then I'm gonna need to call my doctor and, you know, learn what to, like, how to change my, you know, this medicine take. Anyways, so at last we have this machine with us so that we don't need to go to clinic every time. So, you know, I'm cool. Anyways, now I'm ready to do and finish this TV unit. Like for, I don't know, 4 days or so. I'm telling this, but today I'm gonna be finishing that. Stay tuned.
Bence her gün annemin şeyini açıyor. Ben onun 4.1 olduğuna inanmıyorum yani.
Yes, before starting this TV unit, I still haven't started my detox, so I think I may drink some unhealthy things. So by the way, this is our new glass. Actually, yesterday I showed it to you. I think it's very nice because, you know, all the time in IKEA, everybody's buying the same glasses, but this glass, I never seen that before. Check that out. It looks cool, huh? It looks a little bit, how do you say it, retro. Yeah, vintage kind of thing. And the best part, my wifey mouse here bought this amazing ice cubes. Look at that, you know? I cannot drink Diet Coke without an ice because the taste is seriously disgusting to me. I haven't been drinking Diet Coke for a very long time, and if I don't have ice in it and make it a little bit thinner with water, I cannot drink Diet Coke. So I need to put an ice cube like this in it. But look at this, you know, ice cube, it's round. It looks sexy, isn't it? I guess it's a ice cube for whiskey. Okay, so you open it like this first, alright? And then here, like that. Ta-da! Ta-da! It isn't sexy. And then, wait for it. Çekecektin ya.
Aa, ben çay yapmıştım.
No, this is called Diet Coke. This is not chai. What did you do, Mouse? What is that?
I'm making the shoe rack.
Shoe rack? Is it easy?
Yes, very easy to make.
Mom, is that ready?
There are no small parts, I guess, huh?
And these are Leila's sand
Actually, there are some small parts, a lot of small
No,
parts.
but everything is by hand. You don't even use a tool. Everything's crying.
Oh my god, look at your sandcastles. Are you having fun, baby?
Yes.
Leyla, be careful there.
Hayır, öyle.
Tipsy going, huh?
Buraya Emre'nin yatış şeyini koyabiliriz.
Guys, as you can see, at the end TV unit is about to finish. I just have these pieces to put up there so that it's gonna have some extra drawers. And I also finished these. Just I need to hook up these pieces. Emre Bu is here. Leyla is over there playing some games. Is it fun, baby? Is it fun? No answer. And look, my precious mommy. What are you doing again?
Rice.
Rice mi?
Pilav yapıyorum. Pilav.
Allah Allah diyor. Benim pilavım nerede? Thank you.
Deniz, sen pilavını kendin mi alırsın, buyur. Leyla Hanım.
Anne 3. çekmecede önce. Nasıl oldu yani? Elimize sağlık ama arkadaşlar.
Dear Wifey Mouse, I made here for you a TV unit.
Yes.
Would you like to open these things for me? Take this
you
off.
give me the honor.
Yeah.
Hop, hop, hop, hop, like a bunny.
2, 3. We're opening the TV unit. Grand opening. Voila.
Bu dünyanın en iyi kitabını okuyor yani. Gel gel. Gel gel.
We kind of finalized everything in the house, so that's why we decided to reward ourselves. So this wife mouse has a naughtier ideas actually. She wants to get some, you know, American ice cream, something, you know, like that's why we are searching desperately some open shops. And at the end, as you can see with balloons and such, Loblaws is opened. So right now we are searching for some delicious ice creams, like grocery ice creams. They're much dirtier, much naughtier. That's what we deserve, yeah. We work hard today. And guys, seriously, after the Loblaws in Shepherd and Young, this Loblaw is rocking.
I can't even like look at the camera. I'm looking at the chocolate over here right now.
Yeah, I mean the grocery is like well organized and like very shiny, bright and colorful. Yes. And here are the ice creams. Voila. This is what we need. This. Let me see.
Bu chocolate chip cookie'di o. Bunu hayvan gibi yerim.
Yeah, I'm sure it's applicable to French press ya.
O ayarı var bak. Auto drip ayarı var. Percolator ayarını yapacağız biz.
Percolator, okay. Yeah,
Şimdi nereden nasıl yapıyorum bakayım, göster bana. Ya bunu koklayalım. Nasıl alıyorum?
Çeviriyorsun.
Çevirdim, gelmiyor.
Boş abi neresi? So guys, we have this French press thing, you know, and Deniz wants to get something to do in this French press machine. What is that?
The big Turk.
Oh my god.
Turkish Delight Bites.
I guess it's ridiculous.
You want to try it?
No. So our ice cream is here, but the French press idea is not possible. All the coffee things are empty right now. We cannot grind our own coffee as percolator. That's what we need, Deniz says. And there are tons of different kind of coffees here, but I mean none of them is applicable to percolator. Huh? What's that?
Coarse grind. This is for percolators.
Are you sure?
It says coarse grind. Coarse grind coffee. It's not fine grind coffee. See, all these are this.
We'll see.
Fine grind. First, you check them out.
There.
Çet alıyoruz, evet.
Bir şey nereden çıkacak sence?
Şimdi milyon makarna.
Çek çek.
işten geldim. Ben bütün gün sıkılmıştım. Zaten daha alışveriş yapılması gerekiyor.
Hayret, hayret.
Hayret bir şey yok.
Well guys, it's one of these, you know, very satisfied moments. It's like 3 a.m. right now. I just finished my edit and I did quite a lot of job today. It was really productive. As you can see, that TV unit, some other stuff that are not in here, and this beautiful chair I'm sitting on. Actually, can you see it? Right there. Yes, I mean, for like, I don't know, maybe 5 days, I was sitting in this chair and doing my vlogs. But thanks to my productive day, I managed to sit in this very comfortable IKEA chair. It is seriously comfortable. And, you know, finished my job. And look at the house, you know, it starts to look like a house. Right now we're gonna get a TV here, right there. And we're also gonna get a special house for Mr. Jack. Like a kind of house, bed type of thing, so that he's not gonna sleep in the couch. And yes, our house is about to finish. And probably we're gonna get some kind of plants in this corner. Yeah, you know, moving to another country, living in this country, finding a new house, and right now settling in the house. And look at also our bar chairs, by the way. They are nice. Yes, I mean, today has been a productive day. I managed to finish my vlog after that, you know, tiring or exhausting, physically exhausting job. It was a good day. It was a really good day. And tomorrow probably, or you know, we need to do it for like, I don't know, like, I mean, every vlogging day of mine, I just finished the 3rd of June, and even on that day I was planning, I mean, we were planning to get our, you know, governmental insurance, state insurance. Probably tomorrow we're gonna, you know, do it. We actually started to be late on this, so we have to finish that. And then we'll see what's gonna happen. What's gonna happen, you know? I think I need to also start to update my LinkedIn as soon as I can. It's Wednesday. It was due on Monday actually, that I need to finish my LinkedIn account and like update, not finish, it's there, but I need to just update it. I just need to, you know, write properly there that I'm in Canada right now with a permanent residency, and I'm searching for a job opportunities in Canada. That's important. I need to fix that out tomorrow and start to apply for, you know, possible positions, and let's see the chances, you know. Yes, everything is going step by step, not as planned. Few things gone even much faster than we were planning, and some things are going, I mean, I think it must go in a slower pace because we have 2 kids and all. But yes, you know, behind me, we have a beautiful view, and we're desperately, you know, how to say it, I don't know, like, we want to explore Toronto, but still we couldn't even go to the lake, that, you know, shore side. We still couldn't have a chance to walk there, but we managed a lot of things, so smile. Take a deep breath and continue.